At Skinchanted, our slogan is "It's time for you." And when you come here, you feel like it's your time to nourish yourself, to pamper yourself, to get some confidence. And we hope that that confidence then translates into your everyday life. I'm Carrie Scardino, lead esthetician and owner at Skinchanted Spa in Peekskill, New York. We specialize in a lot of services that have to do with wellness and body balancing, with also taking a holistic approach. At Skinchanted, we have a really wide service menu. So we do facials, waxing, body treatments, lymphatic drainage, reflexology, makeup, tanning, and now we even have a lamp probe machine to remove minor skin irregularities. So the products that we use at Skinchanted are called Hylunia. They are all natural and organic products, so they're even safe enough for our oncology patients to use. If you call in, you can book an appointment, or even more conveniently, you can book it online. So if you head to our website, skinchantedSpa.com, you can be informed all about our services that we provide in depth and detail of the pricing, the timeline. We always want people to leave Skinchanted looking and feeling better than when we started.